Hello and welcome to the tutorial number 6. In this tutorial we will talk about data types. So data types define what type of data a variable can store or what type of data a variable can hold. So first of all I will start my Apache here. So my Apache is already started from here. So I will go to the root folder where I have installed XAMPP. I have installed in C drive, then htdocs, and this is the folder that I have created in the last lectures. Now I will create here, right click here and open with Code Studio to access this folder inside my editor or Visual Studio. Then I will create a PHP file here. So I will provide a number for my file, data type .php. Enter. So the first of all I will open the tag of PHP. Then I will close this tag, and in here I will write what is a data type, and I will comment this. So as I have mentioned before, that data type is define what type of data a variable can hold. So the first data type that we have is integer. So I will write it here in one integer, and I will comment this. So integer is a number without decimal point, without floating point. For example, I will write here salary. I will write here a variable salary. I have declared a variable and I will initialize the value of this salary to 20 rupees. Now to print this salary, I'll just write here echo and salary. Control S. Now let's go to the browser. So I will delete this one and I will enter. Then I'll zoom out this one. Then you can see the tutorial number 6 data type.php, and I will click here. As you can see, 20 is printed here. Why? Because we have initialized, we have added the value of salary to 20 rupees or 20. Now what if I increment one value into this salary? So if I increment this, the value of this 20 will change to 21. So to do that, I will just simply write here plus plus, and then in the next line in here I will write echo and then salary. I will print the salary. So here I will write echo and I will break the line by the tag of dr. Now let's see. So as you can see, the value of 20 is changed to 21. Before, the value of salary was what? 20, and we have said that add one value or increment one value to the salary. So here it's incremented, and here we have printed this what? Salary, variable of salary, which has the value of what? 21, because it's incremented here. Now I will comment this one also, and here also I will comment The next, what if I add, for example, what if I add 10 rupees into this 20? So if I add 10 into this 20, the value of this 20 or salary will change to what? 30. So to do that, just simply write here salary and plus equal to 10 or 10. So Control S, then echo and salary. Let's see now. Refresh. As you can see, the value is changed to 30. Same here, we can multiply here also. If I change this to multiply, so I will change it to 20. So 20 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? 40. Let's see. As you can see, the value is changed to 40. So I hope you understand the concept of what? Integer. The next thing that we are having here, that is what? Double. Number 2 data type is double. And I will comment this one also in here. So double contain a decimal, double contain fractional or decimal point or floating point. So I write here, for example, pi or what should I write a good variable name? So I will write here, for example, age. I will write a variable and age, and value of age is, for example, 3.5, or I will change this age to height. So I will say the height of this person is 3.5. So this 3.5 is what? Floating point number or decimal number. 3.5. So this is double. I hope you understand the double also. It's very easy. So the next thing that we are having here, that is what? String. String is a letter or an alphabet, and string is enclosed with single quotes or double quotes. For example, if I write here, I will write a variable address is equal to, so as I said, variable is enclosed with single quotes or double quotes. Now if I write here email, and I will write another variable also, and in here I will write name is equal to IT, for example, or Kabul @IT-Kabul or -Kabul.com, and I will print this echo what? After echo, the name of the variable address and same here, echo and dollar sign name. Let's see now. Email kabul@itkabul.com. Now in here we have written double echo and we have printed separately from each other. So what if we join these two together? So just simply write, or I will comment this one and I will just add the dot here and then the variable, the second variable name. Control S and then refresh. You can see this is printed in the same way, but the difference is that in here it is what joined together, echo, then dollar sign address, then dollar sign name. So instead of writing 2, 3, 4 times echo, so we can what join all of these what together. Now so what I will do here, I will comment all of these and I will write a name here. For example, name equal to Khan, and I will write here echo Khan is a, or he is a good boy, his name is what, and if I write here this, so I will just write here dot and add a what dollar sign, then name, to join this together. So as you can see, he is a good boy, his name is Khan. Now I will show you the difference between single quotes and double quotes. Now if I write this one here, this name, inside this single quotes, see what will happen. So as you can see, the actual data is printed here. The real data that we have written in here in our editor, that's printed in browser. So this is the difference. So in this case, what we need to declare here or write here, we need to write what? Double quotation or double quotes. So let's print this. As you can see, he is a good boy, his name is Khan, is printed here. So I hope you understand this, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next lecture.